If you've ever accidentally completed a task in Todoist and now need to undo it, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to uncomplete a task in Todoist quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you mark something as done too early, or if you just need to bring a task back into your active list so you can finish it properly. Make sure to hit like and subscribe if this tutorial helps you out, because I post simple software how-to guides just like this all the time. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Todoist app on your device. Once you're inside Todoist, go to the project where the task was originally completed. This is important because completed tasks are usually tied to the project they were part of, so that's where you'll want to look first. After that, look at the left-hand side of the screen and click on the Reporting tab. Depending on your setup, this may show you a view of your project activity and completed items. The reporting section is where Todoist keeps track of completed tasks, so this is the place you need to go to find the task you want to bring back. Now you should see a list of completed tasks. Take a moment to locate the exact task you want to uncomplete. If you have a lot of completed items, scroll through carefully until you find the right one. Once you see it, click on the task to open it. When the task opens, look for the circle on the left side. This is the completion checkbox, and it should already be checked since the task was marked as done. To uncomplete the task, simply click that circle again to remove the check. As soon as you do that, Todoist will restore the task back into your active tasks list. And that's it. Your task is now uncompleted and back where it belongs. This is one of those small Todoist features that can save you a lot of time, especially if you need to recover something you finished by mistake. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.